it's Dr. Laura here, and this week we are talking about longevity, living well longer. Okay, your body is always adapting. The question is it adapting around stress or around coherence? Survival mode, stress, is absolutely necessary. Okay, we need it for emergencies, difficult seasons, family responsibilities, demanding work, uncertainty, loss, and change. The problem is not that we go into survival mode. The problem is we don't get out of it. We don't give our body any chance to get out of it. It becomes so normalized, it's called stress adaptation. What does that look like? Sleep becomes disturbed. Digestion becomes not so great. Focus either narrows or it dissolves, both depending on the time. Recovery takes a heck of a lot longer. Muscles stay tense, and your energy is spent not on doing whatever you need to, but on constantly scanning for what might happen next. That's survival mode. And that stress over time can change from just being a momentary feeling to taking the entire shape of your life. And that's when we talk about longevity. It's much, much more than just living longer. It's living longer well, right? We want to be healthy, strong, present, resilient while we live longer. Your future self is being shaped right now by the signals you're sending to your body. Those signals can be for survival mode, or they can be for coherence. We all know what the stress looks like. What might some of the coherent signals be? Well, a nourishing meal, protected sleep block, a slower breath, a walk that is not maximum exercise, a boundary that removes unnecessary strain, or 10 freaking minutes to just do nothing. You don't have to do all of those. Start with one or something similar that fits into your life that you can practice without it becoming some other task that you have to complete perfectly. Let it become evidence to your body, to your future self, that your body does not have to be on duty 24/7, 365 and a quarter. All right? Your life can have stress. You can go into survival mode briefly, but learn how to come back out. That's the evidence your body needs, that your future self wants, that you're not going to create the next chapter of your life from an overstressed, overworked nervous system. So, you can begin by picking one of those things and practicing. And telling your future self that you're going to create from recovery, from nourishment, from presence, and from coherence. Just saying. Now, if you like the video, please do like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And click that little bell and share. Share with everybody, because living well longer. All right. Thank you and namaste.